Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a charity website with Donorbox, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Donorbox website and sign up for an account. After confirmation, log in to your Donorbox dashboard. Next, click on the Create Campaign button to start a new fundraising campaign. Enter a title for your campaign that clearly reflects its purpose. Add a compelling description that explains your mission and how donations will be used. Set a goal amount for your fundraising efforts. Configure the campaign settings, such as the currency and duration. Now, you can customize the design of your donation form to match your brand. Include your logo and select colors that align with your organization's identity. Once your design is set, save your changes. Click on the Publish button to make your campaign live. After publishing, navigate to the Integrations tab to connect your donation form to your. Choose the option that suits your website platform, such as WordPress or Wix. Follow the instructions provided to generate the embed code or link for your form. Copy the code or link and go to your website builder. If you are using WordPress, add a new page or post. Switch to the HTML editor and paste the embed code where you want the form to appear. For other platforms, create a button or link and paste the URL of your donation form. Make sure to preview the donation page to ensure everything looks good. Finally, publish the changes to your website. Your charity website is now ready to accept donations through Donorbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.